want to show you a bunch of really cool food science experiments. They're easy to put together and just a blast. I love this. Let's get started. First thing I want to do is make some magic mud. It's kind of got dual properties in that it serves as a solid and a liquid at the same time. We're gonna start with some potatoes. So I want to get these potatoes chopped up as finely as possible. Now you can do this by hand, or you can put it in a food processor in batches, like how I'm gonna do it. All right, so the next step, I've brought over about 6 cups of some warmed water. It doesn't have to be super hot, just nice and warm. And I'm gonna transfer my potato pieces in. All right, so I'm just gonna give that a stir, let the water do its work, and we're gonna let this sit for 2 minutes. So now I wanna get it strained into a nice, clean, clear bowl. So now I've gotta let this sit and separate for about 10 minutes. All right, now that the starch has separated, it's time to pour out the top liquid. You'll notice the starch stays in the bottom. Now to clean it of any impurities so it can be perfectly white, I'm gonna pour a little bit of cold water in there and give it a stir. Then this gets poured into a jar and gets a good shaking. Yes! And now I'm gonna let that set and separate for another 10 minutes. And when we come back, we'll have magic mud. Okay. Look at that pristine. All right, so I'm gonna pour out the top liquid carefully, and then I'm gonna show you what we made. Look at that. No joking around. Oh yeah. If you keep it moving in your hands, it will remain in a solid form. However, if you stop moving, it turns into a liquid. I am not shitting you right now. If that's not the coolest friggin' thing you've seen, like, it's the little things in life, I'm telling you. All you needed was a bag of potatoes. By the way, I forgot to mention, we now have great hash brown mix. So nothing went to waste here, and this is an afternoon of just so much fun. Watch it drip. What? Give me 15 more minutes of this, and then we'll move on to the next one. For my next trick, great science experiment, I'm gonna show you how you can pop a balloon with a little piece of citrus. I hate this experiment, by the way. Did I mention that? I hate popping balloons. To be quite honest, I don't even know why I'm showing it to you, because just the act of having a balloon near my face is just terrifying. Oh God, make sure you tie it good. Ah, damn it. Yeah, buddy. Just blow up your balloon, super simple like that. Here's what happens. There is a chemical or some sort of compound in orange peels that dissolve rubber. Get yourself a little piece of citrus, actually orange. Everybody ready? Great party trick if you want to be that guy. On to the next experiment. For the last and final one, we are making a homemade lava lamp. Check that off the bucket list, am I right? Cool. So first thing you want to do is start with either a glass or plastic clear container. I've got about a cup and a half of water in it. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring. And by that, I mean a lot, like 10 drops. Then I want to pour in my oil. Just like that. And the final thing, I've got these Alka-Seltzer tablets. I'm gonna break one up here. I'm gonna pop it in. I hope you get to try some of these awesome food science experiments, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.